prepare the muesli. Now, an apple and an orange. Your favourite types, if you have one. If you have a preference. If you don't, any. And an orange. Slice your orange in half. I've got, but the insert's missing. Never mind. Just squeeze it away so you get all your fresh orange juice. And so that's half an orange. Pulp and all. No seeds in these oranges, which means I don't have to go faking around for them. That's the orange. Now your apple. What I do is just slice it up. Still haven't got chickens, but when I used to have chickens, I used to give them these apple cores because they enjoyed them. It was a nice change for them. And give it a bit of a stir. The orange actually helps the apple not to go brown. And then the muesli, just sprinkle your muesli in. And now is the time, if you don't think there's enough oats, you can add more, but which I don't think there is. As you can see, it soaks up, the oats soak up all the orange juice. And then that is a good couple of days, a couple of people helping. In fact, it's probably about 3 days worth. But you can eat it now, or the nicest thing to do is to actually leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and then in the morning, banana on the top of it, or any berries you might have in, blackberries, strawberries, currants, whatever. Add them in and have it with yoghurt. And a very old episode of mine was how to make your own yoghurt. And I think I might actually redo that one again because it's a bit old now. But that's it. You just leave it overnight. And that's your breakfast. Sorted. But that is the most loveliest tasting muesli out, and very good for you. And now it's the next morning. So here's our muesli. It's been made with apple and soaked in orange juice. And as you can see, the bits of apple have not gone brown. That's the orange juice that has stopped that from happening. Put some in the bowl. What's left goes back in the fridge. Use it tomorrow. It'll last a couple of days in the fridge. I've cut up some banana. So I'm having banana on this. But as I said to you, you can use any type of fruit, berries that you want. And this is just normal plain yogurt. You can use your homemade yogurt. The yogurt and honey I find very nice. You can use plain yogurt and put honey on it as well. And I'm putting a load on. I do like yogurts. And there it is, your breakfast. Quick, easy. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect